Hi Bakemates! This production is for our repeat customer from Sipalay City. We ordered 50 pieces of pizza dough. This is 10 inches round dough na may half inch ang kapal niya. Yung dough natin is nasa mid ng thin and thick crust. Crispy and may pagka-chewy siya kainin and hindi siya yung bread type ng pizza. We have daily production for pizza dough and tortilla wrap, kaya if you want to order, just give us 24 hours lead time para masabay ka sa daily production. We do supply pizza dough and tortilla wrap and nakabase kami dito sa Cabancalan City. Our pizza dough can stay at room temperature for 2 days, but if kept frozen, kahit 1 month okay pa siya. Take note lang na dapat is maintain siya na frozen, hindi yung natow mo na tapos ifo-frozen mo siya ulit. May possibility na makadevelop siya ng molds and madamage na yung pizza dough natin. So if you're using this as business, advice namin to keep it frozen talaga and mag-tow lang ng enough na magagamit mo within the day. Ito nga pala yung presser na gamit namin. Big help talaga siya sa production ko. Napaka-time saving. Pagka-press mo, diretso panning na. It's a manual presser kaya no worries, kahit mag-brownout man, hindi apektado yung production natin. Easy lang din siya i-maintain, need lang natin i-check if yung mga screw niya is mahigpit pa. Hindi na tayo mahahagard sa pagro-roll. Sa mano-manong roll, 50 pieces pa lang parang susuko na yung katawan natin. But with this presser, kaya na natin mag-produce ng 200 pieces nang hindi tayo pagod na pagod. 10 months na namin siyang gamit daily. So far, wala akong makitang problema. Compatible siya for pizza, empanada, and pie dough. Sa tortilla, we still do the manual rolling kasi hindi siya compatible with the presser. Marami din nagbe-message sa atin kung saan daw nabili si presser. Nabili namin siya sa Shopee but unfortunately hindi na active si seller. May kinokontak tayo na supplier and if available na sa kanila, ipopost ko agad. And here's the 50 pieces of dough ready to pick up. Please like and follow our page and feel free to share this video. Till the next video, thank you for watching.